Hello and welcome to our continuing video series, which hopefully educates you on our growing portfolios from Eaton's distributed infrastructure offering. My name is Sami Husseini and I'm the product manager for the online double conversion UPS portfolios. Today we want to walk through a quick unboxing of the 9PX Lithium-ion UPS, while also discussing some of the great features and value add of our Lithium-ion UPS. Our newest introduction in the online lithium-ion portfolio is that 6 kVA. Moving over to the box and opening, the first thing we see is the 4-post rail kit, and we can go ahead and set that to the side. The next thing we see is the pedestal feet. Now obviously we install the pedestal feet just to put that in a tower form. And as we examine the box even further, we see our protective foam inserts. Let's put that to the side. And then we take notice of the L630 input cord, already wired for easy plug and play installation. Before removing the UPS, we notice the lifting straps for an easier 2-person installation into the rack. Of course, last thing to mention is the quick start guide and warranty sheet placed below the UPS. For this 2-person lift, we have attached straps for easy lift. Before installing the UPS, we need to first install the 4-post rail kit. Let's take a quick peek. First, the accessory screw pack, and then of course the sliding rails adjusting for the UPS depth. As we move over to the rack, a couple quick comments. If you have installed the new Lithium-ion UPS and the VRLA solution, there is definitely weight difference between the two modules. The unit weighs close to 80 pounds, while the VRLA UPS is over 105 pounds. Also, we have installed the EBM, or external battery module, for extending runtime. This EBM is almost half the weight at 79 pounds. So much easier to install, saving a bit of time and money. Also, one other note is the EBM has a 2U chassis compared to the 3U chassis for the VRLA UPS. All right, and let's briefly mention that all accessory modules are going to be compatible with the 6 kVA Lithium-ion UPS. This includes our maintenance bypass, our transformers, and our 2 power pass distribution modules. And just for reference, the power pass distribution module is a combination of the maintenance bypass and transformer. All right, now that we've unboxed the UPS, we've seen it in the rack with the EBM, let's talk more about the value add and benefits of a Lithium-ion UPS versus VRLA. As seen here, we have a beautiful chart outlining the differences between the VRLA and lithium-ion solution. You know, you look on the far left, you look at lithium-ion batteries and just taking it short and sweet: lighter, smaller, more runtime, longer lifespan. And when we talk about longer lifespan, you really talk about the set and forget it message. So moving to the chart, we've mentioned weight, we've mentioned the reduction in the chassis size for the EBM. So that lithium-ion advantage is a greater than 20% lighter UPS and a greater than 40% lighter EBM. EBM size, once again, we're moving from 3U to 2U, so a big size reduction there, saving some U space in your IT rack. In terms of runtime at full load, you see 8.7 minutes for the 6 kVA Lithium-ion UPS, and the comparable VRLA solution is 3 minutes, so almost 3 times longer runtime. And then once again, the set and forget it message with the battery lifespan. You get up to 10 years of life with that Lithium-ion UPS versus 3 to 5 years. Depending on application, you may need a battery change at year 3.5 or 4, up to 5 years for that VRLA solution. And then of course, we talked to the warranty. There is a longer warranty period, 3 years coverage for the VRLA UPS and 5 total for that Lithium-ion UPS. So we talked about the value add, and let's add a little more color and detail around the runtime bonus of lithium-ion and the installation time and the weight. All right, so we have 2 solutions, VRLA and lithium-ion. Both have around 28 minutes of runtime support. You could see a total of 9U being used for the rack space and 406 pounds total between that UPS and 2 EBMs for that VRLA solution. When you move to the lithium-ion solution, you can see 1 UPS, 1 EBM, utilizing 5U of rack space, only 160 pounds there. Obviously a lot easier installation, and we have the same runtime versus that VRLA solution. So good story behind that runtime and installation time. One last mention in terms of the value add of lithium-ion. When we look at the lithium-ion UPS and talking about high security UPS, you have the labor-saving remote firmware upgrade package with the Lithium-ion UPS. And what that means is that when you have mass upgrades needed for large installs, widely deployed UPSs. With the Lithium-ion UPS, we have remote firmware upgrade functionality. So no longer having to go right in front of the UPS to upgrade your UPS firmware. This could be done via the network management card remotely. With this newest addition to the 9PX lithium-ion portfolio, we are continuing to build on an incredibly successful platform. Hopefully we moved through some great talking points as we also were able to view the units in a rack, along with accessories and accessory modules. Thanks for taking time out of your day to learn more about our growing lithium-ion UPS portfolio. Stay tuned for additional videos on our exciting new portfolio launches. See you soon.